In this video, we are going to show you how to create a testimonial carousel or a testimonial slider. It's the same thing in Elfsight. So if you want to add a testimonial slider slash carousel widget in your website using Elfsight, quite simple. Log into your Elfsight, and once you're there, click on the widgets option here, or just hover it. And then under reviews over here, go click on testimonial slider, right? It's a very second to last option, like so. It's going to bring you to its own page. You want to click here on create widget for free. It's going to bring you to select a testimonial slider template. So just choose whatever you want here. And once you've selected, scroll down a bit until you see this green button that says continue with this template. Here you can now pretty much add testimonials from real people. There are defaults here. You would want to delete these, right? And just add a testimonial from somebody. So you can add the testimonial body itself, the reviewer name, caption, date, picture, and social profile if it is available, right? After that, click done. You can also customize your testimonial slider or carousel. You could edit the layout, testimonial itself, the style, the color, fonts, etc. After that, when you're satisfied, click add to website for free and you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next